Okay, I wanted to show how the Sportster flies on the simulator. Okay, and it's probably going to be different in real life at the field, but anyways, I've already got the throttle set for about 57 miles an hour. That seems to be where the plane flies level. It's a very fast plane. Quick edit here. I got the ailerons at 20 degrees, which I put that high because I'll show you when I'm flying. When it rolls, it does a corkscrew. It doesn't do a axial roll. It does a corkscrew. So, and then to keep it from running into the ground, I had to put this up at 20 degrees. You might experiment with it even higher. Rudder 15 and elevator 10. Okay, and that's where that is. So, let's see. One other thing is I've got the elevator trim pulled all the way up, and I got the throttle just below the center line here, the throttle stick just below the center line. And the reason I did that is that's set for straight and level flight at 57 degrees, at 57 miles per hour. I'll show you. Whoops, I accidentally turned the recorder off for a second there. Okay, here we go. Let's I'll push the wrong button. Rudder's not working. I don't know why. Here's the elevator. There it is. Rudder wasn't working on the ground. I don't know why. Oh, look how slow. That's really slow because I've got the throttle in a fixed position for 57. I got it preset, in other words. Because I wanted to see at what speed the plane flies level. And that's about 57 miles per hour. The plane will fly level. There we go. That's about 55 miles an hour over here. About 55 miles an hour. Okay. And it flies level. Okay. And that is with the trim all the way over here, the trim all the way in the up position. This is that throttle setting is about 57 miles an hour, and it flies level. That's what it takes. Okay, and of course if you speed up, you're going to get more lift, so you're going to have to put in some down elevator to get it to fly level. And this plane is fast. I mean, that right there, that's as slow as I could get it to go and fly level. Well, wait a minute, let me say that differently. Under the conditions I have with I want hands off. I wanted it to fly level hands off, and to do that you have to pull this all the way in on the trim, and you have to fly 57 miles an hour. So as I set the throttle on 57, I set the elevator trim all the way up. It flies level. That's good. Now watch the corkscrew. Watch the corkscrew. Okay, I'm going to give it a little bit of up. Oops. See, that's supposed to be an aileron roll, but it's a corkscrew. And that has to do with the geometry of the plane, if I'm not mistaken. That has to do with the shape of the wing and things like that. Here we go. Let's try. Let's do that again. Now, you have to have a lot of aileron deflection, which I showed you earlier, in order to keep it from rolling, corkscrewing right into the ground. My suspicion is it does. I haven't done any loops with it. I'll do that later. My suspicion is it does loops fantastically because of the shape of that wing. Anyway, let's see about landing here. Whoa! Let's slow it down. Let's see it come down. Okay, slow it down a little more. I'm going too fast. Okay, a little bit more, way too fast. Way too fast, and it bounces. Whoa! It's crazy. Ooh, there we go. On the ground. Okay. And that's that. So, this short video on the Sportster. Yes, sir, buddy. Don't crash. Don't. God, it rolls like crazy. Something about this model, I don't know why it rolls like crazy.